All right, welcome back everybody. Ryan here again for Idle and Emission Solutions. Today we had a massive depth leak, we released a short video on that yesterday, probably the biggest I've ever seen. So I'm going to show you why that happened. All right, but first, just wanted to have a shout out to our sponsor today, OTR Performance, and we'll talk about them a little bit later on in the video. So we'll go ahead and get right to it. So after we got rid of that mountain of depth that was on here, there's a little bit of it. There's a huge pile out in the lot. Some of it's right there. We went ahead and put everything in our DPF oven, so the decomp tube here and everything all came out and it just disintegrates all that stuff. So everything's nice and clean, ready to put back together, and we finally found what was the root cause. I actually did a leak test on the depth system, and I guess that it had probably resealed itself. We see here on the return line, the heater on this had shorted out and melted, and it looks like it was probably leaking right in here. So I've seen a lot of metering units leaking as well that kind of did the same thing, but just not as much. So there was a I mean, this was caked all the way out to here. So when you're doing your day-to-day pre-trip inspections, post-trip inspections and all that, I'd just be looking around. You know, if you start seeing that depth building up somewhere, I'd be addressing it immediately before it becomes a problem like we saw here. Because I had probably about an hour of just chipping all that stuff out and trying to get it out of there. And like I said, luckily we had the DPF oven here, so we was able just to throw everything that we could in there that could handle, 1,200 degrees to get rid of all that stuff and clean everything up. So we're going to replace this depth line here. We're going to go ahead, the metering unit wasn't in too great a shape either, so we're going to throw a new metering unit on it. But the moral of the story is, like I said, during those pre-trip, post-trip inspections, just be looking at your system here, or any type of system, wherever your metering unit is, your lines, and even I've seen it on the pumps as well, the depth pumps, and the filter housings, where they'll start leaking, kind of doing the same thing. So just be watching out for that crystallization on any external parts, because you've obviously got a leak there. You can get contamination. And that, I mean, the DEF is very finicky. I mean, it's usually 32.5% urea, so that's if it gets below that or above that, for any reason, you'll start throwing faults. You'll get lower conversion efficiency because it's not the right mixture. So those are all just little things to be looking out for on your day-to-day inspections. Okay, so with that, I mean, you're most likely, once it gets to a bad point, you're going to start seeing fault codes, low conversion efficiency, DEF pressure, things of that nature. And one of the best tools out there, in my opinion, is the OTR diagnostics tool. Very cost effective, very simple to use. I mean, if you're not a mechanic, it's on your cell phone. So a great tool for an owner operator or small fleets. In this business today, you've got to have something out there. And we've teamed up with OTR for a couple of years now. I think it's a great product. I've used it myself. Right now, they've got a Black Friday sale, great deal. You can look at the comments below or our description below for all the information on that. We also have another code as well, so check that out. And like I said, you need something out there for, if you get derated, you got faults coming up, you want to know what they are. I like to know, I mean, I've always fixed stuff myself, but before I take something into a shop, I like to at least have an idea what it is, so they're not like going way off, like, yeah, it's this, this, and this. I mean, if you know you got a metering unit issue, knock sensor issue, whatever, you got an idea what it is instead of just going into a shop blindly. So another good reason to have a tool as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. So like I said, check out OTR Diagnostics below. Like I said, great sale right now. But with that, that's pretty much all we got for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video.